Life, what's good? We got episode number 41. We back here at Prairie City. We're gonna be riding a little bit. Before I get into anything, I just want to take the little time out to say we hit one of the goals. You know what I'm saying? We got 200 subscribers. The last two videos we got over 200 views per video or whatever. So I definitely appreciate that. Yeah, you know, I can't say nothing more than just thank you guys. I appreciate you guys, you know, interacting with me and stuff like that, you know. And today it's very windy. Yesterday it was raining. So we're just gonna get back out here and work on our MX skills. But again, I wanna thank y'all for, you know, subscribing to the channel, you know, putting in y'all feedback on the comment sections and likes and stuff like that. I appreciate y'all. Without further ado, we're just gonna get to it right now. All right, let's see if we can get out here on the track. It was raining yesterday, so everything a little sloppy out here. Speed limit 15. I want to make sure I stay hydrated, bro. Slowest dude out here. Good CRF. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This MX shit is some of the hardest riding I done in my whole life. Stand up. This shit a lot harder than what it looked. Woo! Shit. Boy. I think I need to start using a rear brake. Oh, slide. Slid right there. Okay, that was alright. All this is sand right here, bro. Like, what's going on? Oh, oh. Oh, try to stand up. It was a little easier to stand up through it. Woo! A little whiskey throw right there. It's a quick turn. This is a big ass jump, bro. Only thing about MX too, bro, you gotta breathe out your nose, cause boy, you will fucking, I don't know what it is about breathing out your mouth. Shit gets you hella dehydrated. I'll go to this outside right here. Oh! I'll lean this motherfucker over somewhere. Oh, here they come. I'll speed up a little bit. I think I learned something right there. Try to go on the inside right here. Okay, I'm getting a little better now. Oh! I ain't gonna lie, I need to calm down. Woo! Good save. Man, I can't cap to you, bro. 2 laps, boy, I am wounded. Golly. Alright. I'm gonna try this last little ride before they close. I gotta get up out of here. Yeah. Good old kickstart. So this time I'm going out without the hydro pack. I got my little pants on today, you feel me? These O'Neill joints. Motherfuckers fit kind of tight. I got the Alpine Star off-road on. I was already like 7 pounds. I had the hydro pack on, so I'm gonna try to ride without the hydro pack. See if I work out a little better. Got the Hoonigans out here. Go. Slide down. Oh, feel a lot more freer. Get up on the bike a little more. Okay, I just gotta get in that motherfucker then. Oh. Oh, almost went off right there. I'm just cruising now. Fuck. Ooh, back brake touchy. I'm tired as fuck. Let this guy slide by me. I'm done. Boy, I'm like throwing up. Street Life, episode number 41 in the books. A nice little short video. I am feeling extremely queasy right now. Seems like last night is catching up to me today, so you know I'm gonna cut the day a little short. They're about to close anyway. It's like a 6:30. They close at 7. I just wanted to get a little ride in and show my appreciation for hitting the 200 subscribers. I want to thank you guys a lot. You know what I'm saying? The quality is going to get better. The audio is going to get better. The videos are going to get a lot better. Just keep tuning in. Keep checking in on me, seeing what's going on. If you guys got any ideas or anything, just leave it down in the comment section below. Again, I want to thank y'all for helping me reach 200 subscribers. It's a big thing, man. You know what I'm saying? That's 200 people. That might not be a lot to some people, but it's enough for me, man. So I appreciate that. Without further ado, Street Life, we out, man.